Dear students, welcome to today Bridge Course class, 8th Standard Mathematics. The unit is perimeters and area of triangle. The unit is perimeters and area of triangle. Okay, students, today we shall discuss about perimeter. So, what is a perimeter? Perimeter is derived from peri plus metron. Okay, perimeter it is derived from the Greek word peri plus metron. Peri means around and metron means measure. It means perimeter is the total distance of all sides of a closed plane figure. What is a perimeter? Perimeter is the total distance of all sides of a closed plane is called perimeter. Okay, perimeter is equal to sum of the lengths of all sides of closed figure. It is understood. Perimeter, it is derived from Greek word peri plus metron. Peri means around and metron means measure. Totally, perimeter is the total distance of all sides of a closed plane figure is called perimeter. Perimeter is equal to sum of the lengths of all sides of a closed plane figure is called perimeter. Okay, next to today class we discuss about perimeter of triangle, rectangle and square. Triangle, rectangle and square, these are all the polynomials. Okay, first one is perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle, consider a triangle, the sides are A, B, C. A, B and C are the sides of a triangle. Therefore, perimeter is equal to sum of the lengths of all sides. Is that understood? What is a perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of the lengths of all sides. Therefore, perimeter of a triangle is equal to A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. It is called the perimeter of a triangle. What is the perimeter of a triangle? The sum of lengths of all sides is called perimeter of a triangle. A perimeter of a triangle is the A plus B plus C. A triangle has three sides. Sum of three sides is called perimeter of a triangle. Sum of three sides is called perimeter of a triangle. For example, find the perimeter of a triangle having the dimensions P is equal to 7 meter, Q is equal to 8 meter, R is equal to 10 meter. What is the P, Q and R in this problem? P is the side length of one side is 7 meter, Q is the other side that is 8 meter, R is the third side that is 10 meter. Therefore, the perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of the lengths of all its sides, that is equal to P plus Q plus R, that is equal to 7 plus 8 plus 10, that is equal to 25 meter. Okay, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 10, that is equal to 25 meter. Therefore, the perimeter of a triangle is equal to 25 meter. The perimeter of a triangle is 25 meter. Similarly, same the SI unit of perimeter is meter or centimeter or inches, etc. The perimeter of a rectangle. The perimeter of a rectangle is equal to length plus length plus breadth. It is the four sides of a rectangle. Triangle has three sides, rectangle having four sides. Therefore, perimeter is equal to length plus length, breadth plus breadth. You have to return in the short form, that is perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2B, where L is the length and B is the breadth. Therefore, it is written in the short form P is equal to 2L plus 2B. In these, 2 is the common on both sides. Take 2 as common. Remaining perimeter P is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. This is the perimeter of a rectangle. This is the perimeter of a rectangle. For example, 1. Find the perimeter of a rectangle having the dimensions L is equal to 18 kilometer and breadth is equal to 12 kilometer. L is equal to 18 kilometer, breadth is equal to 12 kilometer. Therefore, the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to, we know that the formula 2 into L plus B. Therefore, 2 that is equal to 2 into L is 18 plus B is 12 given. That is equal to 2 into 18 plus 12, that is 30. 2 into 30, that is equal to 60 kilometer. Therefore, the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 60 kilometer. The perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 60 kilometers. Next one is the perimeter of a square. In a square, all four sides are equal. In a square, all four sides are equal. Therefore, we find the first, the perimeter of a square, that is equal to sum of the lengths of all sides. That is equal to perimeter is equal to S. Here S is the side length of square, that is equal to S plus S plus S plus S. Therefore, S plus S plus S plus S, that is equal to 4S. It means 4 into length of a side. That is the formula of perimeter of a square is 4 into length of a side. 4S, that is 4 into length of a side. It is the formula of a perimeter of square. Next one is find the perimeter of a square having sides of 10 centimeter. Find the perimeter of a square having sides of 10 centimeter. We know that, students, we know that the formula of a square, that is equal to the perimeter of a square is equal to 4S. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 4S. That is S is equal to given the side of 10 centimeter. S is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore, substitute the in place of S, that is equal to 4 into 10, that is equal to 4 tens are 40 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of the square is equal to 40 centimeter. Okay, remember students, in this one we know the three formulas of perimeter of a triangle, perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a square. Next, we solve some example problems of a triangles. Area of all types of triangles. Next, after the perimeter, we study about area of all types of a triangles. Okay, what is a triangle? Triangle is the most powerful geometry which is a closed two-dimensional shape having three sides. Triangle is the two-dimensional shape figure having three sides. Next, we recall once again types of triangles. What are the types of triangles? The triangles are based on sides. Those are all scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. In scalene triangle, the length of all sides are different. The length of all sides are different is called scalene triangle. Similarly, in isosceles triangle, the length of two sides are equal. the length of two sides are equal, such a triangles are called isosceles triangles. Next one is equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? Length of all sides are equal. Such a triangle is called equilateral triangle. These are all the triangles based on sides. Next students, triangles based on angles. Based on angles. One is acute angle triangle. In a acute angle triangle, all angle is less than 90 degree. Or each angle is less than 90 degree. Such a triangle is called acute angled triangle. Next one is right angle triangle. In a triangle, any one angle is 90. Any one angle is 90 degree. Such a triangle is called right angle triangle. Okay. Similarly, you know that what is obtuse angle triangle? In a triangle, any one angle is greater than 90 degree. Such a triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. Is it right, students? Yes. We are now derive the formulas of first right angle triangle. What is the area of a right angle triangle? That is, in a area of a right angle triangle is equal to half into base into perpendicular. Half into base into perpendicular height. That is called as a height. That is called half into base into height is the area of a right angled triangle. Next, in a right angle triangle, we know that very much important theorem that is called as a Pythagoras theorem or Pythagorean's theorem. What is the statement of Pythagoras theorem? This in a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Here we consider the side which is opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse and other two sides are called adjacent sides. Therefore, this square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. This is called Pythagoras theorem. This is called Pythagoras theorem. First, you learned the students Pythagoras theorem. Next one is the area of a equilateral triangle. The area of a equilateral triangle. The area of equilateral triangle is, in a equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal. All three sides are equal. That is equal to area is equal to root 3 by 4a square. A is the side of a triangle. Therefore, area is equal to 0.433 a square. 0.433 a square. That is the area of a equilateral triangle. That is the area of a equilateral triangle. Next one is area of a isosceles triangle. Area of a isosceles triangle is equal to area of a isosceles triangle is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. This is the formula of a equilateral triangle. Okay, next one is example 1. What is the area of a triangle? What is the area of a given triangle? Observe here the triangle. In a triangle, the height is given. Height is 6 units and base is given. Base is 18 units. Therefore, the area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Is it right? Half into base into height. That is equal to half into 18 into 6. Therefore, 2 1 ja, 2 9 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 9 ja. That is equal to 9 into 6. That is equal to 9 6 ja, 54. Therefore, area of this triangle is 54 unit square. 54 unit squares. Next one is Find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are 5 centimeter each. It means, dear students, observe this one. Every one side having length 5 centimeter. It means it is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. In the equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Therefore, the perimeter of a triangle is equal to side A plus side B plus side C. That is equal to 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. That is equal to 15 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of a triangle is 15 centimeter. The perimeter of a triangle is 15 centimeter. Next one is find the perimeter of a triangle. Find the perimeter of a triangle when given the sides are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. We know that, students, the perimeter of a triangle is sum of sides, sum of all sides. Therefore, the perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C, that is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, that is equal to 12 centimeter. That is equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of a triangle is 12 centimeter. Next one is, students, find the side of a triangle. Okay, observe this figure. In a triangle, one side is 4 centimeter, other side is 5 centimeter. Next, the perimeter is given, that is 14 centimeter. What we find? We find the third side of a triangle. We find the third side of a triangle. According to the formula, the perimeter of a triangle is equal to, the perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of the sides, sum of the sides. Therefore, 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, we take the third side as x centimeter. Therefore, 4 plus 5 plus x centimeter is equal to perimeter is 14 centimeter. Therefore, 4 plus 5, that is equal to 9 centimeter plus x centimeter. 9 plus x centimeter, that is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, according to the rule of transferring, okay, we take x centimeter as it is same. Again, the 9 centimeter is transferred from left to right. Plus 9 centimeter becomes minus 9 centimeter according to the rule of transferring. Therefore, x centimeter is equal to 14 centimeter minus 9 centimeter, that is equal to x is equal to 5 centimeter. Therefore, the third side of a triangle is 5 centimeter. Therefore, the third side of a triangle is 5 centimeter. Or similarly same, we solve the another one example. Find the side of a triangle when a perimeter is 22 centimeter and one side is 10 centimeter and other one is 6 centimeter. Here observe this, students. One side is 6 centimeter, other side is 10 centimeter. Perimeter is given, that is equal to 22 centimeter. Right or first given. Okay, therefore we know that the perimeter is equal to sum of the lengths of all sides. According to that one, 10 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 6 centimeter is equal to 16 centimeter. According to that one, okay, 16 plus x centimeter is equal to 22 centimeter, that is perimeter. Therefore, x is equal to 22 minus 16 centimeter, that is equal to 6 centimeter. That is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, the third side of a given triangle is 6 centimeter, because the sum of all sides is equal to perimeter, that is equal to 22 centimeter. Next one is find the area of a triangle whose base is 3 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. Find the area of a triangle whose base is find the area of a triangle whose base is 3 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. According to that one, area of a triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. That is equal to base is 3 centimeter is given, height is 4 centimeter is given. Then substitute the value in this formula, that is equal to 3 into 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2, 3 4 ja 12, 12 divided by 2, 2 1 ja 2 6 ja, that is equal to area of a triangle is 6 centimeter square. Students, it is centimeter is wrong, it is a print mistakes, please corrected it. That is equal to 6 centimeter square, that is 6 centimeter square. Next one problem, find the area of a triangle, the height is 12 centimeter, base is 20 centimeter. Find the area of a triangle, the height is 12 centimeter and base is 20 centimeter. According to that one, area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. That is half into base into height. Area is equal to 12 into 20 divided by 2. That is equal to 12 20 is a 240 divided by 2. 2 1 is a 2. 2 2 is a 4. 200, that is equal to 120 centimeter square. That is equal to 120 centimeter square. Next one is find the area when three sides are given. One side is 12 centimeter, second side is 40 centimeter, third side is 6 centimeter. There is no about idea. Okay students, in next classes, it means in our higher classes, when they are given three sides of a triangle, we are using Heron's formula. We are using Heron's formula for easy to find area. But now we don't know the Heron's formula. Therefore, we draw a perpendicular and find the height of a triangle by using the Pythagoras theorem. Then we find this one. According to Pythagoras theorem, we find the height of a triangle is 5 centimeter. Then area is equal to base into height divided by 2. That is equal to area is equal to 14 into 5 divided by 2. That is equal to 14 5 is 70 divided by 2. 2 1 is 2, 35 is area of a triangle is equal to 35 centimeter square. Area of a triangle is equal to 35 centimeter square. Next students, the area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. That is the formula. Using this formula, find the area of given triangles. Find the area of given triangles. In first one triangle, okay, one side is 12 inches, hypotenuse is 13 inches, and third one is 5 inches. In second one is height is 5 meter, base is 40 meter, other two sides is 7 meter and 10 meters. Third one is one side is 5 feet, next side is 9 feet, height is 3 feet, other side is 6 feet. Fourth one is the height is 6 yard, the base is 5 yard. Okay, using the formula half into base into height or base into height divided by 2, using this formula we find the area of given these four triangles. Okay, first one is area of a triangle is equal to A is equal to B into H. Here H is 12 inches, base is 5 inches. According to that one, B is equal to 5 into 12, 5 into 12 divided by 2. That is equal to area is equal to 5 12 is 60, 60 by 2, that is equal to 30 inch square. Therefore, area of this triangle is 30 inch square. Next one is second one problem. Therefore, area of a triangle B into H by 2, that is equal to base is equal to 14 meter. Note down this one. Base is equal to 14 meter. Height is equal to 5 meter. Therefore, according to this one, 14 into 5 divided by 2, 14 5 is a 70. 70 divided by 2, that is equal to 2 1 ja, 235 ja, that is equal to area is equal to 35 meter square. Therefore, area is equal to 35 meter square. Next, fourth one is, third one, find the area of this triangle. Base is 9 feet, height is 3 feet. Therefore, area is equal to base into height divided by 2. That is, area is equal to 9 into 3 by 2. That is equal to 27 by 2. The area is equal to 13.5 feet square. 13.5 feet square. Next one, fourth one, students. Fourth one is we are extend this one. Therefore, the base is 5 add, height is 6 add. Therefore, area of a triangle is equal to base into height divided by 2. Using this formula, we calculate the area of a triangle is equal to 5 into 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 5 into 6 divided by 2. Therefore, 5 6 ja 30. 5 6 ja 30. 30 divided by 2, area is equal to 30 divided by 2, that is equal to 2 1 ja 215 ja. 2 1 ja 215 ja. When we divide 30 by 2, we get 15. Therefore, area of this triangle is 15 had squares. 15 had squares. Okay, next is the homework problems. Next one is, last one is homework problems. Students, write the headlines. Find the area of this triangle ABC. Okay, in this one, base is 7.8 centimeter, height is 3.5 centimeter. Now find the area of a first triangle. Similarly, second one, find the area of a triangle. Base is 3.7 centimeter, height is 5.9 centimeter. Height is 5.9 centimeter. Similarly, next one is, okay, you are using formula. Area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height or base into height by 2. Using this formula, easy to calculate area of a triangle. Similarly, same, third one is, find this area of a triangle ABC, in which AD is height, that is equal to 6.1 centimeter, base is 5 centimeter. Base is 5 centimeter. Is it understood? Base is 5 centimeter, height is 6.1 centimeter. You are using the formula area of a triangle is half into base into height, that is equal to 6.1 into 5 by 2, that is equal to 2. 6.1 into 2.5. You calculate, you get the answer. Similarly, last fourth one is, find the area of a triangle ABC, in which base BC is equal to 9.2 centimeter. Base BC is equal to 9.2 centimeter and height AD is equal to 1.6 centimeter and height AD is equal to 1.6 centimeter. Students, I will given clue for homework. All of you do this homework and send WhatsApp. Today I will finish this class. Remaining we shall discuss in next class. Thank you for one and all.